Hello, wie geht's? Welcome back to my channel. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, do hit the red button below. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get the notification. Today we are going to learn how to say thank you and welcome in German, auf Deutsch. So, it is very important to know these two words. For example, if you go to Germany and you're lost there and you ask someone for the direction, so what would you reply? You'll say thank you. And it's very important that you know how to say thank you in German. And of course, welcome. So let's get started. So the first way you can say thank you is danke. Danke. It's very short and very simple. Danke. If you want to say many thanks, you can say vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. Now, if you want to say thank you very much, you can say Danke schön. Danke schön. You can also say Danke sehr. Danke sehr. And another alternative is besten Dank. Besten Dank. So if you want to say in a full sentence like I thank you, you can say Ich danke Ihnen. Ich danke Ihnen. But make sure Ihnen is being used for formal. Ich danke Ihnen. For informal, we'll say Ich danke dir. Ich danke dir. So let's just quickly revise this. Danke, vielen Dank, danke schön, besten Dank, danke sehr, ich danke Ihnen. Now, for example, someone asks you for the direction and you guide them. And the next person says thank you. So what would you say? You're welcome. So you say bitte. Bitte. Or bitte schön. Bitte schön. You can also say bitte sehr. Bitte sehr. You can also say gern geschehen. Gern geschehen. My pleasure. Gern geschehen. You can also say mit Vergnügen. Mit Vergnügen. So gern geschehen und mit Vergnügen means my pleasure, and bitte sehr, bitte schön means you're welcome. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Till then, tschüss.